equation, look at this time. dp over dt equal to k square root of t. Now tell me, what is the independent variable here? The independent variable is t. What is the dependent variable here? That is p. So, in solving the differential equation, what are we solving for? We are solving for the dependent variable p. There you are. And we are given some of these values. What does that mean? P of 0 equal to 500. It means the value of p when t equal to 0 is 500. P of 1 equal to 600. The value of p when t equal to 1 is 600. That's what it means. Find p of 7. Find the value of p when t equal to 7. That is the meaning of this problem. Alright, now how do we start it? When we first did a differential equation, I told you, you got an independent variable and dependent variable. Write the equation in such a way that they will appear on either side of the equation, not together on one side, but one variable on the left and the other variable on the other side. This is called separation of variables. Separate the variables on either side of the equation. So that can be done by multiplying both sides by dt. So multiply by dt both sides. What do we have? Multiply left hand side by dt will give you dp. Right hand side by dt gives you k square root t times dt. Look at that form now. dp equal to k square root t dt. K is a constant. It's a number, we don't know what it is, but these conditions given to us will help us to find that k. Alright, let's try that. Now we need to find the function p as a function of t. What do we do? Now write this as k times square root t is t to the power of 1/2. So what we have is dp equal to k t to the power of 1/2 dt. Integrate both sides. Integral of dp, that's the left hand side, is integral of k t to the power of 1/2 dt. Tell me, what is integral of dp? Integral of 1 dp is p. So we get p equal to, k is a constant, we can bring it out of the integral. So that will be k times integral t to the power of 1/2 dt. Watch it. Is t to the power of 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1. That is t to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. Okay. So, simplify that, it gives you p equal to, if you notice, dividing by 3 over 2 is multiplying by 2/3. So the 2 will go up. It will be 2k over 3, t to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Now, we need to find the c and also that k. How do we do that? We can use these two given values. Now, we are given that p of 0 is 500. What does that mean? It means if you replace this t by 0, this p will be 500. Let's do that. So we say 500 equal to, when t becomes 0, this whole thing will become 0. So 500 equal to 0 plus c, and that gives you c equal to 500. We can now replace the c by 500. So we get p of t is 2k over 3, t to the power of 3 over 2 plus 500. Now we need to find the value of k. For that we use this condition. P of 1 equal to 600. When t equal to 1 is p equal to 600. Alright, let's do that. When t is replaced by 1, this p will be 600. gives me 600 equal to 2k over 3 times 1. 1 to the power of 3 over 2 is 1, plus 500. Solve this for k. That's a simple equation for you to solve. Now try it on your own and see. I got k equal to 150. That means we can now take the value of k into the function for p, and that will be the proper p function. That will give me p equal to 2k, 2 times 150 over 3, t to the power of 3 over 2 plus 500. That means p of t equal to, that will give you 100t to the power of 3 over 2 plus 500. Now what are we supposed to find? We need to find p of 7. Once you have this general equation of p as a function of t, we can find the value of p at any given time. So here, p of 7 therefore is 100 times 7 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 500, and that's equal to 2352. That has been a beautiful problem. In fact, calculus as a whole, if you notice how we are able to solve difficult problems using the method of calculus in a much simpler way. I hope you will appreciate the value of calculus. All right, try some of these on your own and do the homework, and I'll see you next time for another lesson.